Welcome all of you for this session. It is my pleasure to meet all of you through this symposium. Coming to the topic, it is the development of value-added products using natural fibers such as cotton, pineapple, coir and jute. Now, the sustainability is not a buzzword, it has become an integral part of any product or process. When researchers involved in developing a product, they should develop a responsible product without affecting the environment, and it should be sustainable. I'll be presenting on few case studies done in our center. The center focuses on developing products for thermal, acoustics, filtration, and other coating and laminated products. The center is fully functional, encompassing the facilities for needle punching, coating and lamination, filtration, and acoustic testing. The testing center is also fully functional. First case study is on the development of microdust-based panels for thermal insulation application in the buildings. The developed panel had a thermal insulation value of 0.0117 meter squared Kelvin per watt, and it can be an alternative for the existing thermal insulation. Next research is on hybrid multilayer coir structure for sound absorption. This research developed a coir gradient structures utilizing coir fibers and post-consumer waste denim fiber. The NRC of the developed panel was 0.5 and it can be used as an alternative for the wood. We also have developed a high-density thin composites made out of coir and natural binders. It can be utilized for low-frequency sound absorption. Jute fiber-based nonwoven structures were developed for effluent pre-filter applications. The developed pre-filter cartridge can capture particles greater than 1 micron. It is an alternate product for the existing polypropylene-based filter. Finally, this presentation focuses on pineapple leaf fibers for flushable wipes with high disintegration efficiency. Pineapple leaf fibers were extracted and surface treated with sodium hydroxide under different controlled process parameters. Steam exploded fibers had a diameter of 3 to 4 micrometers and it had been developed with the wet laying process and characterized for wet wipe. These case studies demonstrate the potential of natural fibers for innovative applications with environmental sustainability. I look forward to sharing my insights and engaging in discussions with all of you during the presentation. Thank you.